classic question of whether the chicken or the egg came first has been debated for centuries. From a scientific perspective, the answer is that the egg came first because the first chicken egg was laid by a bird that was not quite a chicken. Philosophically, though, it's a fun paradox that goes back to ancient times. The debate really gained traction in modern science and philosophy over the last few centuries, and it's still a playful question today. Absolutely. The debate about whether the chicken or the egg came first really dates back to ancient philosophers like Aristotle, who considered it a paradox. From a scientific standpoint, modern evolutionary biology suggests that the egg came first because the genetic mutations that created the first chicken happened in the egg laid by a bird that wasn't quite a chicken. Philosophically, is still a fun way to explore causality and the origins of life. So it's a mix of science, philosophy, and a bit of fun. Sure, many scientists and evolutionary biologists accept that the egg came first, including notable figures like Richard Dawkins, who have explained this idea in the context of evolutionary theory. Philosophers and scientists alike have reached a consensus that the genetic changes that led to the first chicken occurred in an egg. So it's widely accepted in the scientific community that the egg had the edge in this debate. As an AI, I'd say that from a scientific standpoint, the egg definitely came first. The reason is that the first true chicken would have evolved from a mutation in the DNA of an egg laid by a bird that wasn't quite a chicken. So the egg wins this round. It's a neat way to look at evolution in action. This question dates back to ancient times, with roots in the philosophies of ancient Greece, including Aristotle, around the 4th century BCE. The modern scientific perspective that the egg came first has been shaped by evolutionary biology over the last couple of centuries, with contributions from many scientists. So it's a timeless question that has evolved over the centuries. The domestic chicken, as we know it today, was first domesticated around 8 to 10,000 years ago in Southeast Asia, particularly in what is now Thailand, Vietnam, and surrounding regions. The red jungle fowl is considered the ancestor of the modern chicken. Over time, humans selectively bred these birds for traits like size, temperament, and egg production, leading to the chickens we have today. It was a gradual process that took place over many generations. Sure. In my view, the debate about whether the chicken or the egg came first is a fun mix of philosophy and science. Scientifically, the egg wins because evolutionary changes happen at the genetic level in an egg. Historically, the chicken as we know it was domesticated thousands of years ago from the red jungle fowl. So the answer is that the egg came first in the evolutionary sense, and the chicken as we know it is a product of human cultivation over millennia.